Welcome to Refined Movement. My name is Robbie. This is my 1992 Civic hatchback. And this racetrack is called the Firm. Alright, what's up you guys? We made it out to the Firm. Trav holding the camera for me. You'll see him in a minute. Car made it up here okay. So if you followed my channel at all, you know I've had some troubles with this car. I'm super relieved just to drive this thing up here. That's a big accomplishment in itself at the moment. But so I do have some dedicated race wheels with my 949 6ULs. They have Toyo R888Rs on them. I drive up to the Firm on a set of end keys with just an all-season tire. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna go out there and we're gonna try to just do some basic laps. Just relearn this track. It's been like, I don't know, 10 months to a year or something since I've been here. So of course, leave it up to us to not have the right wristband for Trav going out. Trav gives his signal of approval there. You need a different wristband. But the guys at the Firm are super cool, man. They let us go out, no problem. Then when we came back off track, I went ahead and got Trav an all-day wristband. Everyone at the Firm is super nice. You hear that real weird noise at the end there? That ended up being my clutch. And you know, I kind of was thinking that at the time, but anyway, later videos to come on that. These were my first laps out, and man, I really just wanted to get a feel for the car again. It was a ton of fun being back out there and just kind of relearning this circuit, and it definitely gave me some confidence coming back. Ah, overcooked that. Temperature's holding good.
It feels good. I mean, it doesn't... Sounds good.
I don't know, that... Did you hear that clunk, that whir at the very end?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. I didn't even press the clutch.
I almost thought that that was like a wheel touching something. Because that was when you came and you turned, right?
Right at the very end of it, before I even turned.
Yeah, when you were hard on the brakes?
Yeah.
That maybe the car pitched onto the wheels there?
I mean, yeah, maybe.
What is your dampening set at? Do you know?
It's full soft in the front.
Yeah.
But I mean, there are 14 kilogram springs too. I mean, I know it's not the heaviest, but it's not the lightest. Yeah, I mean, it feels good to be back out here.
Yeah.
The car definitely has a little bit of push to it, you know.
I would definitely turn the dampening up a little just to see.
Yeah.
Because I think you'll feel a response change already.
Yeah.
And it does, like, I'm surprised at how much it does pitch still.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, I have no sway bars.
Right. But dude, your exhaust sounds so good.
Yeah, you think so?
Sounds so good. I was like, what is this car? What is this sound?
What is this? HKS power.
Sounds so good.
So the very first couple laps back out on track, it's been a while, man, and it felt really good. It honestly felt super relieving just to get out there and just to do race car things again. I've done some karting just before this, and that was trying to get my mind into this whole thing, you know. But they felt good. They were slow, but, you know, I just wanted to make sure the car was going to do what it was going to do. So at the time of me recording these voiceovers, yes, there is a problem with the clutch. Later video coming on that, so be sure to subscribe to the channel if you care to keep up with the progress. But I was confident in the car, feeling that there was no immediate danger to the clutch blowing up. At least I felt that anyway, and it proved to be true. Here I went out for my next session. And so going out there, I was definitely feeling more confident now. I was able to put in a 1 minute and 30 second lap, which was 2 seconds faster than anything I'd ever done before out here. So I was really starting to get the sense that, hey, maybe the sim racing and the karting has really helped me improve my vision on track. That was one of the biggest things I've been trying to work on. That was the second session done, and I actually pushed it a little bit that time. It was feeling pretty good. I was, starting to get my cojones back.
We adjusted the dampening just a tiny bit in the front, but
a little stiffer before we went out. It was at full soft before, so we went halfway through the stiffness on the front, and it's halfway through the stiffness on the back. And just for reference, I have 30 PSI on the tires up front and 32 in the rear, trying to help it, get a little bit of kick out, because again, I have no sway bars on this car yet.
Yeah, you definitely can feel that, at least from my experience with my car, which has everything. So, but the car feels good to me. The engine feels strong.
For real, dudes, like the engine being strong right now is, I can't even tell you how happy I am with that. Yeah. Right, it is. Like, this is the low mileage engine that we picked up, we've never done that before. Happy with how that's turning out. And coolant is holding steady, engine oil is holding steady. There is a problem though, of course, because it wouldn't be my car without that. Yeah. We don't know exactly what it is. It's clutch related, I believe. Yeah. So I ended up doing multiple sessions throughout the day, but this next clip is a full unedited lap. This is my fastest lap of the day, which came a little later on. What? Yes. Oh man. 128.9. Yes. Dude, I got a 128.9.
You can't even believe it.
I can't believe it.
I came out here a bunch of times and I'm at 129.
What'd you say? 129.1?
So I'm close to 128.
I mean, that's the same time then.
Right.
128.9, 129.1. I mean, if it's a qualifying, technically I'm on pole, Trav's in second, but there's nothing in that. If that's a racing situation, we're right there.
Right. Yeah. That's amazing, dude, because you've had what, like 10, 12 laps today? 15?
Yeah, I think maybe I did 15.
In total.
In total, but that, like, including a warm-up. Like, I pretty much went and did like 2 to 3 hot laps at a time because this is still a testing day, and I don't want to push my equipment too far when this is the first time back out.
It's great, man. That's amazing. I can't even. There's so much in this car that's out there, and this car isn't even done. Like, you can do so much more, and you can drive better and get more time.
Honestly, you guys, like, I appreciate you saying that, man. I really do. And honestly, I'm going to attribute this. Let me step back for a second. This isn't the best. I am not the best. This is not the best lap time in the world. I know I'm making it sound like it is, but I'm truly amazed at what I've done here today. My last time out here, I had a 132.5 with a more powerful engine. And I truly attribute my driving to what I have learned on the simulator and in karting. And that blows my mind.
It's all about practice and driving.
That's it. But so the simulator really can work.
So when I come out here next time, I'm gonna suck.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna. You
'Cause
really
I
should
haven't
go.
driven anything. Yeah.
You really should go karting before you come out here.
For sure. Because I don't drive anything anymore. I don't have a simulator. I don't go karting.
You drive stick shift lately.
Don't even drive.
But you know what that means? The next video where Travis and I are out here together, if we're pulling roughly the same lap times, that's gonna be super fun cat and mouse.
Yeah,
going out
sure,
there.
For sure. I'm excited to get my car out here again eventually.
Yeah.
Just to do that.
Wow. Can't believe it, you guys. I'm super proud of myself, but I'm also super happy that my best friend was here with me. Super fun riding along with you.
Yeah, I mean, it's good to be out of the house and
doing fun stuff and
things.
using our car.
Yeah, man.
So
Awesome.
yeah, sorry for the long rants and everything, but thank you all so much for watching, those of you who did. And just so you know, those of you who did watch this video, I really appreciate you, because we're building these cars to do this stuff. We're not building them just to build them. That's our thing.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching this one, you guys, and we'll talk to you in the next.